Hashtag short, guys. Here we go. Y'all see this? And I already got a load. I still haven't went from the last load I had, but they done piled up a bunch of stuff over here and told me get this crap out of here. All right, I would, but I don't have no room. But we're gonna find a way. And I got some more stuff over here in my personal area. Yeah, 2 more radiators and compressors and cam. This compressor, God, I'm gonna hang on to this compressor. This is one I did the video on. Got a lot of controversy on. This is like a clutchless electronic clutch system. A guy on YouTube was telling me about a valve that you can replace. I have no idea about that. We've never replaced this valve. We've always replaced the compressor. That was his biggest point, is we probably was replacing the compressor for no reason, okay, when all it needed was a valve. Again, guys, some places I have to follow rules, so I'm not saying he's wrong, but we're going to investigate that. So I'm going to hang on to that. Let me load those up. Yeah, a bunch of radiators, guys. Matter of fact, let me fire the camera up and do a whole complete video. All right, this is a hashtag short video. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, y'all saw me load up some things. I'm loaded down, man. I can't get nothing big on here. I hate I put this on here first. I should have done this last, but this was supposed to go to Brothers Motors to press. I loaded it up and then found out he got a press over there. Go figure. All right, so scrapyard is going. Now, what do I have left? All right, I've already talked about that on the hashtag short. Couple of transmission. This is a 2.4 oil burner. High mileage, guys, so don't be jumping down the bandwagon. Oh my God, already? Yes, an insurance adjuster sent us a used. That's the crazy thing. They'll send used engines to replace this type engine. Like, you don't know the condition of that engine. All right, yeah, sure, that's a flash update that will affect the VVT operation and help with that oil consumption test. But for the most part, you don't know the internals. You don't know the condition of the internals, the rings and things like that. It's 8-speed. Guys, I brag on these transmissions all the time. These transmissions are bulletproof, in my opinion. Okay, and they don't fail often. But when they fail, we have to replace them. There's no overhaul kit for us, all right? Now, my buddies at All Park Garage, I'm not sure how they're getting overhaul kits, but they have overhaul kits. I think they're getting them from BMW or somewhere. But I went to school on this. I know how to build them. We just don't have any parts. I'm not sure they would let me build them anyway, but yeah, these things are bulletproof. I don't know why the reason. Some of the simplest thing can send them over the edge. Like, it's a couple of fault codes. If you see, there's nothing you can do but replace it. So they might have went off for that, but who knows? I don't know. But I don't have no room for it. Okay. Woo, that sucker loaded down. All right, gas tank. Got no money in that. That's going to the dumpster. It's a tire. And I don't even do rotors anymore, guys. It's just dead weight. Quick struts. How many of y'all familiar with the quick struts? Springs is already inside the strut. Man, this made life so much easier. You know what's weird? A lot of guys use the same labor rate, or they charge the same amount of time to do it if they had to. I don't know. Is that wrong? It all depends, man. It's about time the mechanic get a heads up on some of this stuff. We've been getting screwed off for the longest. I don't know why he took this off. If this was quick strut, he might was getting ready to replace it, took the bolt off and found out. Or when the new parts came in, he found out they was quick struts. Not sure why he bothered with that, but that's junk. No money as far as scrap. Now, I picked this box up early. Y'all saw me pick this up. It's a differential transfer case, PTU. One of them. I have a PTU over here. The one I just did 3 days ago. I'm not gonna load this up because I don't know if it's warranty or not, if they want the core back. But yeah, that thing drove me crazy, man. I think I made some video footage on it. I think, if I'm not mistaken, but yeah, we replaced the solenoid and the actuator, and there's something going on internally, guys. It was weird. I took a course on this. We busted open, talked about every part in it, put it back together. That's a wrap. Can't get parts for it. So I don't know too many people fond of taking this apart anyway. Yes, I remember this, guys. This is the one. Matter of fact, I gotta upload that video because that was interesting. This one, no, the new one, the brand new reman that I put in, the dial was left in here, guys. So when I put this up on the transmission, try to close it, I couldn't close at this point. Guys, I tried everything. I tried to put the bolts in to squeeze it up together. No, I kept binding right here, and some told me take it back out. And I found out the dial was still in there. It was just sheared off. So and what's weird, there's no underside, so you can't go behind here and hammer that dial out. You just screwed. So what I end up doing is shaving the dial off of the transmission. Okay, the dial is there so you can line it up properly, but if it's not there, it's not the end of the world. So I had to do what I had to do, man. I couldn't believe I got stuck on something as simple as that. That was a reman transfer case, but the reman place that built it didn't take that into effect. Oh, so this beat me up, man. Cost me 2 hours before I figured out what was fine, because I sat down frustrated, got on YouTube, played around, came back still frustrated. Finally it had to go. It got hot. So yeah, I ended up shearing the dial off of the transmission because I couldn't get the dial that was broken in the transfer case out. I'll put some of the clips. In fact, I put it on this video what I'm talking about, so y'all won't be lost. But other than that, that's a wrap, guys. I'm loaded down. It has to be a wrap. All right, like I said, we're gonna talk about this compressor. One of my dudes on YouTube is telling me about a valve you can replace. These camshafts, somebody did a Pentastar. They did all 4 camshafts. Remember what I told y'all, guys? Camshaft, if it's damaged, replace it. All right, y'all see the lobes on this? Yes, that is bad. This counts for a replacement. That is bad. Rocker arm failure, guys. Camshaft don't go bad. The rocker arms fail and cause the camshaft to become damaged. Okay, this is damaged. Other than that, this the only reason you should replace this camshaft is because this reluctant tone wheel is loose. Remember, it's press fit, so if it's loose or defective, you're not supposed to put this near a magnet. You have to replace the whole camshaft. But the only other reason you should replace it is if one of the lobes are damaged. All right, I'm out of time, guys. Man, that's all I have. I'm hanging on to this. We're gonna talk about this. I appreciate my buddy clarify or enlighten me. Hey, it's one of those things, man. I'm in a bubble, man. Sometimes some things I do not know that I should know, but I've been in this bubble so long, it just flat out goes over my head. I ain't ashamed. All right, I gotta go. Let me. Yes, I gotta go on the other side, and then I'm gonna head to the scrapyard. And you know what? Take y'all with me, man. You know the camera gonna be running. All right, I'm letting this thing run for a while. Charge the battery up. Battery was dead. No, it's not the right battery for this car, but whatever. I don't know. 3.7, 4.7. Yeah, the big 4.7. I'm no fan of it. If I see water in the oil, I'm junking the whole truck. I'm not taking it out, man. I'm not gonna even get started on that, guys. I'm done with this video. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.